Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G Pure, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select security, and here go to fingerprint. Now draw your unlock pattern, click on setup, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on the back cover of your device, so you need to turn it around and place your finger here. So just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You can observe the progress right here. And that's it. You can add another or click on done to finish the whole operation. And from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So smoothly by tapping, you can unlock your device. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.